Hello friends, together, let's draw and add color to a rainbow fish. Let's begin. This rainbow fish has shiny, colorful scales that sparkle like a rainbow. Rainbow fish loves to swim and play with his friends. Do you like to swim and play too? Rainbow fish looks like he's glowing with magic in the sun. Can you imagine swimming with a glowing fish? And now, let's make this fish colorful. Let's start with yellow. Then, red. Next is purple. We have green. And then, orange. Amazing! Rainbow fish is a beautiful fish that lives in the ocean. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.